Top 4 fresh juice for kidney cleansing. Your kidneys work every day to filter toxins and balance fluids, but they need the right support. Fresh juices can help cleanse the kidneys naturally when chosen wisely. In today's video, Health Relief shares 4 refreshing juices that support kidney cleansing and help keep your urinary system healthy and balanced. Number 1 in our list is cucumber juice, natural detox for kidneys. Cucumber juice is one of the gentlest and most effective drinks for supporting kidney cleansing. With its extremely high water content, cucumber helps flush waste from the kidneys without forcing them to work harder. This makes it especially helpful for older adults who need hydration without excess strain. Healthy kidneys rely on steady fluid flow to remove toxins. Cucumber juice supports this process by improving urine output in a smooth, balanced way. Instead of irritating the urinary system, it helps dilute waste substances, reducing the risk of crystal buildup and discomfort. Cucumber is naturally low in sodium and calories, which helps prevent fluid retention and swelling. When sodium levels stay balanced, the kidneys can regulate fluids more efficiently, easing pressure on the entire urinary system. Cucumber also contains antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, supporting healthier kidney tissue over time. Another important benefit is digestion support. When digestion is calm, the kidneys face less workload filtering waste byproducts. Cucumber juice is light, cooling, and easy to absorb, making it ideal for morning or midday consumption. For best results, blend fresh cucumber with the peel on for maximum nutrients. Avoid adding salt or sugar, as these can cancel out the cleansing effect. You may add a small amount of lemon for flavor, but keep it minimal. Drink cucumber juice earlier in the day rather than at night to avoid unnecessary nighttime urination. When enjoyed regularly, cucumber juice supports hydration, reduces kidney stress, and helps maintain a cleaner urinary system. It's a simple, refreshing way to support kidney cleansing naturally. Number 2, watermelon juice. Flush toxins naturally. Watermelon juice is a refreshing and powerful way to support kidney cleansing, especially during warmer months. With its high water content and natural electrolytes, watermelon helps the kidneys flush toxins smoothly while keeping the body well hydrated. One of watermelon's key benefits is its natural diuretic effect. It increases urine flow in a gentle way, helping the kidneys eliminate waste and excess salts without irritation. This steady flushing action reduces the risk of toxin buildup that can stress kidney tissue over time. Watermelon is also rich in citrulline, an amino acid that supports healthy blood circulation. Improved circulation helps the kidneys receive adequate oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to function more efficiently. Better blood flow also supports balanced blood pressure, which is critical for kidney health. Another advantage of watermelon juice is its low sodium content. Excess sodium forces the kidneys to retain water, increasing pressure and workload. Watermelon helps counter this by promoting fluid balance and reducing swelling in the body. To prepare, blend fresh watermelon chunks and strain if desired. Avoid adding sugar, as watermelon already contains natural sweetness. Drink it in moderate amounts, preferably earlier in the day, to prevent nighttime urination. People with blood sugar concerns should enjoy watermelon juice in small portions and pair it with a meal to slow sugar absorption. When consumed regularly and responsibly, watermelon juice supports gentle kidney cleansing, hydration, and circulation. It's a refreshing, natural way to help your kidneys stay clean, supported, and functioning smoothly. Number 3, lemon juice. Cleansing support for kidneys. Lemon juice is widely known for its cleansing properties, and when used correctly, it can gently support kidney health. Lemons contain citric acid, which helps reduce the formation of certain mineral deposits by increasing urine citrate levels. This makes lemon juice especially helpful for supporting cleaner, healthier kidney function. One of lemon juice's biggest benefits is its ability to encourage natural detoxification. It stimulates urine flow, helping the kidneys flush waste more efficiently. Unlike harsh detox drinks, lemon juice works gently, supporting kidney cleansing without irritation when properly diluted. Lemon juice also supports digestion and liver function, which indirectly reduces the workload on the kidneys. When other detox organs function well, fewer toxins reach the kidneys for filtration. This teamwork between organs helps protect kidney tissue over time. For best results, lemon juice should always be diluted. Mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with warm or room temperature water. Drinking it first thing in the morning can help kickstart hydration and support cleansing. Avoid drinking concentrated lemon juice, as it may irritate the stomach or teeth. Moderation is key. 1 small glass per day is enough to support kidney cleansing. Excessive amounts can increase acidity or potassium intake, which may not be suitable for everyone. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. If needed, a small amount of honey can be used for taste. When used consistently and responsibly, lemon juice supports hydration, reduces mineral buildup, and promotes efficient kidney cleansing. It's a simple, time-tested addition to a kidney-friendly routine. Number 4. Cranberry juice, urinary cleanser. Cranberry juice is well known for supporting urinary tract health, but when chosen and used correctly, it can also play a helpful role in kidney cleansing. Cranberries contain natural compounds called proanthocyanidins, which help prevent unwanted bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls. This keeps the entire system cleaner and better protected. By supporting a healthy urinary tract, cranberry juice reduces the risk of infections that can travel upward and stress the kidneys. A cleaner urinary pathway allows the kidneys to filter waste more efficiently without added strain. Cranberry juice also helps increase urine acidity slightly, which can discourage bacterial growth and support waste elimination. This gentle cleansing effect helps keep urine flowing smoothly and reduces irritation. However, not all cranberry juice is kidney-friendly. Many store-bought options contain added sugar, which increases kidney workload and spikes blood sugar. Always choose unsweetened, 100% cranberry juice, or dilute it with water to make it gentler. Because cranberry juice can be acidic, moderation is important. A small glass, a few times per week, is enough to gain benefits without irritation. Drinking it earlier in the day helps avoid nighttime urination. People with kidney stones or on certain medications should consult a healthcare provider before using cranberry juice regularly, as it may not be suitable for everyone. When consumed wisely, cranberry juice supports urinary cleanliness, reduces infection risk, and indirectly supports kidney health. It's a targeted, protective juice that works best as part of a balanced kidney cleansing routine. Simple habits can make a powerful difference in kidney health. Adding these fresh juices to your routine can support gentle cleansing and better function. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Health Relief for trusted, easy kidney and wellness tips designed to support long-term health.